Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many newbies face when working on their websites. The issue at hand is when you have a carousel at the top of your web page and some cards underneath it that you want to magnify upon hovering, but instead of appearing on top of the carousel, they end up getting hidden underneath it. Frustrating, right? Let's dive into the details of this problem. Picture this. You've got your carousel stealing the spotlight at the top, but those cards are just itching to shine as well. The struggle lies in making sure they pop out when hovered over, without being overshadowed by the carousel. It's a classic case of elements not playing well together. But fear not, there's a solution to this conundrum. Here comes the solution to the rescue. By adding a simple z-index property to the CSS class of the cards, you can ensure that they stay on top of the carousel when magnified. Remember to include the z-index, 9999, important, snippet within the .card hover block. This little tweak will give those cards the spotlight they deserve. Problem solved. In a nutshell, we've cracked the code to making those cards stand out without getting buried under the carousel. Just add that z-index property as we discussed, and voila, your web page will now look sleek and professional. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy coding,